So there are lots of different applications for the multi-tool from ENJO, and I'm just going to show you one today. So this is a cabinet that has a rounded glass edge. There's no corner here, right? Like it's just round. So I could use my living glove and ENJO foil to dry behind, but I mean, we're always looking for quick, easy ways to make it faster, right? So I'm just going to use my cold water, because you're going to notice the pivot when I do this, because I don't have to move my arm. It's just going to turn with that corner. Like, isn't that great? Like, I'm holding my arm straight, well, bent obviously, but I'm not moving the position of my arm, and it's going around that corner. Like, oh my goodness. So think of all the people that do have issues. Like if you have a sore elbow or something, you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to move your arm a bunch to clean this. Now, how am I going to dry? There are options. So I used the strong fiber for cleaning. So I could take this off, put the soft fiber on, and use it to dry behind. Quick and easy, right? Especially for an application like maybe something up high where you can't reach very well. I could also add the squeegee from the window combi on and squeegee behind. Look, squeaky clean, right? Or if you don't have the squeegee, you could use the good old living. In this case, you could use your window ENJO fill, anything like that. It's going to work beautifully. And oh, maybe I should do the mirror in behind there too now. But yeah, so simple to use this multi-tool. So I hope you have fun with it like I do. Bye.